is debit and credit?
Debit and credit are like the yin and yang of accounting, interconnected and responsible for keeping a business's bookkeeping entries in balance and harmony. There is no debit without credit. A debit increases the balance of an asset, expense or loss account, and decreases the balance of a liability, equity, revenue, or gain account. Debit are recorded on the left side of an accounting journal entry. Meanwhile, credit increases the balance of a liability, equity, gain or revenue account and decreases the balance of an asset, loss or expense account. Credit are recorded on the right side of a journal entry.
Then why is debit and credit important to accounting?
Debit and credit keeps a company's books in balance. They are recorded in pairs for every transaction, so a debit to one financial account requires a credit or sum of credit of equal value to other financial accounts. The accuracy of debit and credit in the journalizing is important because accounts roll up into specific lines of a company's balance sheet or income statement, both of which paint a picture of a company's financial health, value, and profitability. They also inform decision-making for internal and external stakeholders, including company's management, lenders, investors, and tax agencies. That's why it makes it important.
If that's so, then how can I know if the transaction is debit or credit?
Oh, that's easy. Just watch this fun game show and then you'll fully understand how to enter into your journalizing.
Hello everyone, so we're back again here at our game show, Guess It, Debit or Credit, where we try to analyze our given account title if it's on debit or credit side in its normal balance. And I'm your host, Layla Taccio. So today, let's welcome our lovely guest who will be our player for today's game, Miss Alexandra Bautista from Parañaque National High School, Maine. So welcome in our show, Miss Alex. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure so much.
So let's it's our accounting game show.
Yes na yes!
May mga gusto ka bang i-shoutout?
Meron po. Shoutout sa PNH's Maine! I'm here to represent you guys! Especially to our section, Bezos!
So, shoutout na ang section Bezos. So, are you ready na ba?
Ready na!
Tawagin natin si Alyana! Alyana, ipasok mo na ang mga accounts title! Thank you, sis. Lord, Debit and credit dancers, pasok!
Boya, 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 now. I know you get the feels. Boya, 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 now. I'm so curious.
So, Miss Alex, dahil ready ka na for our game today. For your first account title, bumunot ka na! Thank you. And for your first account title is Drawing. Companies Drawing. Debit or credit? Debit or credit? Credit! Sure na ba, Miss Alex?
Sure na sure!
Tapos. Sure na ba? Kayo, sa tingin nyo, debit or credit?
Debit yan!
Credit yan! Debit or credit? Sure na ba?
Sure na!
Debit or credit? Credit!
Drawing is a debit account since it represents the decrease in the total assets of a business that is drawn by its owner for personal use.
Dahil medyo palyado tayo sa unang account title mo, Miss Alexandra, bibigyan ka pa namin ng pagkakataon para makabawi at makuha ang ating jackpot prize na 1 million pesos! So, sa iyong pangalawang account title, pwede ka nang bumunot, Miss Alex. Thank you. So, ang pangalawa mong accounts title ay tax expense, debit or credit? Debit or credit? Debit or credit, Miss Alex? Debit yan! Sa inyo, sa tingin mo, debit yan or credit?
Debit yan!
Credit yan! Kayo, mga manunod. Debit or credit? Debit! Tama ang iyong sagot!
At dahil dyan, bibigyan ka namin ng 100,000 pesos!
Tax expense. The term expense refers to an amount of money the taxpayers can subtract directly from the taxes they owe. Unlike deductions, which lower the amount of taxable income, tax expense reduce the actual amount of tax owed. That is why it's on the credit side.
Congratulations, Miss Alex! At nairaos mo ang second round. At ngayon naman, dumako na tayo sa third round. Bumunot ka na ng iyong pangatlong accounts title, Miss Alex. Thank you! At ang pangatlo mong accounts title ay accounts payable, debit or credit? Debit or credit? Credit yan! Credit yan? Sure na ba, Miss Alex?
Sure na sure!
Ikaw, sa tingin mo?
Debit yan!
Ikaw? Credit! Kayo mga manonood, debit ba yan or credit? Debit! Sure na ba, Miss Alex?
Opo.
At dahil dyan, bibigyan ka pa namin ng isang 100,000.
Since accounts payable is a liability, it should have credit entry. This credit balance then indicates the money owed to a supplier. When a company pays their supplier, the company needs to debit accounts payable so that the credit balance can be decreased.
Dahil nairaos mo ang pangatlong round, Miss Alex, dadako na tayo sa ika-apat na round at i-level up na natin ang matatanggap pong premyo. Makakatanggap ka na ng 200,000 piso kung may tatama mo ang iyong mabubunot na account title. So, bumunot ka na, Miss Alex. Thank you, Miss Alex. Ang pang-apat mo na nabunot ay equipment. Debit or credit? Debit or credit? Debit yan! Sure na ba?
Sure!
Ikaw, sa tingin mo?
Debit na debit yan!
Ikaw! Kayo! Debit or credit? Debit or credit? Debit or credit? Debit yan! Sure na ba? Dahil dyan!
At dahil nairaos mo ang ika-apat na round, meron kang 200,000 pesos!
The equipment is an asset, so you must debit to your fixed asset account to show an increase. That is why it's on the debit side.
Dahil nairaos mo ang ika-apat na round, Miss Alex, ikay papunta na sa jackpot, maaabot mo na siya. Gusto mo bang isugal ang iyong 400 na nakuha sa 1,000,000? Yes! Yes na yes! Sure ka ba? Yes na yes! Pero sana masagot mo muna ang susunod na account title. Bumunot ka na, Miss Alex! At sa ating jackpot round, ang nabunot mong account title ay Owner's Capital, Debit or Credit? Debit or Credit? Miss Alex, Debit or Credit, Owner's Capital for our jackpot round. Sana masagot mo ito na tama. Debit or Credit? Credit yan! Sure ba?
Sure na sure!
Ikaw, debit ba yan or credit?
Debit!
Ikaw,
Credit!
Theo, debit or credit? Miss Alex, sure na ba?
Credit here!
Sure na, sure na!
Credit!
Dahil sa jackpot round na tayo, Miss Alex, hindi natin to papadaliin dahil 1 milyon ang nakataya dito. Papapiliin kita. Uuwi ka ba ng may 400,000 pesos na hawak mo o sasagutin mo ang tanong at mananalo ka ng 1 million pesos?
Sasagutin!
Kaya mo, audience, sa tingin nyo, dapat niya bang sagutin? O umuwi na lang? Ikaw!
Sasagutin niya yan!
Ikaw! Sasagutin mo ba, Miss Alex, o uuwi ka with 400,000 pesos?
Sasagutin!
So, guess it! Debit or credit? Owner's capital. Debit or credit?
Credit!
Sure na ba, Miss Alex?
Sure na sure!
Sure na, Miss Alex. Ayaw mo nang palitan?
Ayaw ko na. Sure na ako. Sure na sure.
Walang tiwala ka na sa sagot mo.
Of course!
Yes! Ang talino naman pala ng ating player from Paranaque National High School, May! Sa tingin mo, mapapanalunan niya ba ang jackpot prize natin for today?
Yes for her!
So, Miss Alex, ang sagot sa owner's capital ay... Nalimutan mo ang ating jackpot round! Nandito na ang 1 milyong piso!
Owner's capital. Accountant's record increase in asset, expense, and owner's drawing accounts on the debit side, and they record increase in liability, revenue, and owner's capital accounts on the credit side.
Napanalunan mo na ang 1 million pesos na ating jackpot prize at 400,000 pesos sa iyong previous round na nilaro, Miss Alex. Ano gagawin mo sa iyong mga napanalunan?
Maaari pong ipang tuition ko to dahil malapit na po ako magtapos sa Paranaque National High School at maitutulong ko po ito sa mga nakababata kong kapatid na nag-aaral din.
Oh, thank you, Miss Alex. At naglaro ka dito. Buti tinanggap mo ang aming imbitasyon. Matalino ka palang bata, Miss Alex. Congratulations din po sa paaralan ng Paranaque National High School. May kanto kayong mag-aaral. Matalino. Congrats ulit, Miss Alex. Hanggang sa muli sa ating game show na Guess It! Debit or Credit!
Wait, pause. I think I get it now. So for debit, it's an accounting entry that results in either an increase in assets or decrease in liabilities on a company's balance sheet, while as credit records a decrease in assets or an increase in liability, as well as a decrease in expense or an increase in revenue. Am I correct?
Wow, you get the hang of that very fast. I'm impressed.
Of course! It's always fun to learn something new when you're watching something, especially something funny.
I agree with you, but we're not done yet. Now that you know the difference between debit and credit, I'll give you a set of accounts title and you'll tell me whether it's debit or credit. First one, cash. Debit or credit?
For me, cash is debited because cash is deposited in the company's bank account. Cash is an asset account on the balance sheet.
Very good. Now, on to the second one, salaries expense.
Salaries expense are debit since the company pays the employees with cash.
How about accounts receivable?
Accounts receivable are debit because it's money due to you soon that you'll own and benefit from when it arrives.
Wow, You're a quick learner, I see. So for the last account's title, land, debit or credit?
Is it debit? Because land is an asset to a company. Is that right?
Yes, you're right. Wow, you got it all right. Well, that's all that I can teach you for now. I hope that you learned a lot today.
Yes, I did. Now I'll show this to my friends. Thank you so much. See you later, Rachel.
Bye, Alex.
I know gold is not enough.